Hi, I'm Ed Johnson with Dwell360 Real Estate, and today we're at 240A Nevada Street, a beautiful townhome that I want to take you around. Today we're in Newtonville, tucked away in an N-unit townhouse surrounded by lawns and gardens. Let me tour you around. Not only do we have a spacious living room, but we also have a family room, and let me show you the patio. We're on the second floor at the master bedroom, which has an ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet. Additionally, on this level, we have 2 more bedrooms as well as laundry. After, we'll take a look at the third floor. As you can see, this is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath townhouse here in Newton, Massachusetts. I'm Ed Johnson with Dwell360 Real Estate. If you have any questions about this property or any other home in the Newton area, please reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you.